guys, welcome. So this is our Airbnb, as you can see. So this room is actually pretty nice. I got this for around 5,000 per day. Alright friends, so this property is actually located just 500 meters from Mall of Asia. The name of the property is Avani 1028 and it is located in Sahakar Nagar. And this place can officially accommodate 6 people. So if you're traveling with your friends, this is one of the best property you can actually rent. So this is our living room. So here we have a L-shaped couch here, and the living room is pretty decent, I would say. So since this is an Airbnb, so it is an apartment converted into a serviced apartment actually. So we have a TV unit and we have 43-inch TV here. The interiors on the whole is actually pretty good. So as you can see, but in the photos they have provided it was a little bit better, but I don't know what happened. They might have removed some of the decors here. So still it's looking pretty good. They have given a kitchen here. You can actually cook if you want to cook because they have provided a gas stove and we have a fridge here. It's pretty decent, guys. If you want to make some breakfast, you can actually get it done here, and we have a dining area here. So you can accommodate up to 4 people. You can have your lunch, dinner or breakfast here if you want to order it. And they have also provided ironing board. And let's now see the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, guys. So it's actually, I think, king size bed here, and they have a balcony here. So this is the balcony. It's quite small, but it is a balcony nonetheless. And this is the bathroom, and this is the bathroom. So it's a very basic setup, but you have a water heater here. And all the bedrooms have air conditioning, and the bedside tables in this bedroom is actually pretty nice. And we also have a wardrobe. This is a huge wardrobe, guys. Actually, it's built for a family actually, so you can store all your belongings here when you are coming to visit this place. And we also have another bedroom here. So this is actually like a kid's bedroom. It's quite small, but you can actually sleep 2 people because this is a single cot, and we also have a additional bed here. You also have a workstation here. So if you are coming for a staycation and you want to work from here, actually you can do that because we have a desk here. And also in another bedroom we also have another desk. And the bathroom in this bedroom is actually pretty nice. It's a hidden bathroom actually, and the bathroom is also basic, but it is what it is, but it's pretty usable and pretty good. We don't have a jacuzzi here, but we also have a balcony in this room as well. So this is a little bit of a smaller balcony. And in the living room we have a balcony. So it's a decent sized balcony. So actually you can pretty much chill in this balcony with your friends because it's pretty decent size for a couple of friends to actually hang out here. And we'll take a look at the third bedroom here. So as I said, it's a 3 BHK apartment. So we have a bed here, and we have a wardrobe here, and we have a workstation over here as well. So if you want to work from home from this room also, you can able to do that. And so this is the bathroom. So this is also a basic bathroom. We don't have any bathtub or jacuzzi here, but it will get your job done. So the property is actually well managed and it's pretty clean. And we also have another balcony over here in this room as well. So this balcony is a little bit on a smaller side, but you can actually look at the road, and there is a railway track over there. Also you can look at the trains going by. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I will meet you guys in the next interesting video. So until then, it's bye from JK. Bye.